everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how I do my makeup when I'm going out. Also, this is my first video where I'm actually just talking to the camera. I hope the sound is okay and I hope you enjoy it. I just want to show you how I do my makeup when I go out. Hopefully you'll enjoy it or you'll think it's fun, and if you do, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Before I start to put on any of my makeup on, I will use bioderma moisturizers here. So one is a moisturizer and then one is for redness, because as you can see I have some, I have redness here on my cheeks, on my chin, so I'll go ahead and do that. And then normally everything will be covered up when I put my makeup on anyway. Alright, let's get to it. My favorite way, I've been putting on my makeup with a sponge. The makeup that I like to use, it's the Revlon Cover Stay Foundation, 24-hour stay. It is a little bit heavy, so sometimes it can be a little bit cakey. So lately what I've been doing is I've actually been taking my moisturizer and mixing it in with my foundation so it makes it a little bit lighter. So all I'll do here, I'll just go ahead, put a couple drops in my hand. Okay, I swear there's tons in here. Okay, there we go. So I'll do that. Then also I'll put some of my foundation here, quite a bit. I'm just gonna mix it and then I'll go ahead and place it on. Right now this sponge, it is wet. I always like to have it just a little bit wet. I think it helps to spread out the foundation again. So we'll do that. And always make sure to bring your foundation down your neck. Okay, next I'm going to put on some concealer. So I will put that under my eyes, probably my forehead where I have some pimples there. This is the Makeup Forever Full Cover Concealer, so I'm going to use that. I'm just going to go ahead, pat this right under my eyes here. And then I will take it, and like I said, I'm just going to go ahead and place that over my little spots here. Always really make sure when you're blending here to really press in the sides of the nose. That's a common place to kind of miss because there's all those little cracks there. Okay, so next I am going to put on powder. I have the MAC powder here. Take a nice brush and I'm just going to go over all of my foundation with that. Like I said before, I'm no expert on this. This is honestly just over the past years what I have found works best for my skin type and kind of which ways and which steps I like to do things. Once the powder is on, also I need to set my makeup because I will crease under the eyes and always around my mouth. For this part actually, so right here I have the Pro Longwear pressed powder from MAC. When I put this on, I'll actually use the sponge here to do it, and I'll take the back side of it and I'll rub it right in the powder, and then I will use that and I'll start to press it under my eyes, especially around my mouth here and on my forehead as well. Now for the blush, I have this MAC blush. This is Melba. But right here I like to put this, I feel like this is a nice color that goes with my lighter skin tone. So we'll just go here, kind of smile just a little bit, and I always extend it onto the side of my face here and like even up into my hairline and on my forehead. And then for the highlighter, this is the best highlighter. This is the Makeup Forever Pro Light Fusion. Let's see, is there a... I just use it here. I like to go on my nose, so I'll just tap it here. And this is really, really quick. Here, I'll go right above my lips, my chin, and onto my cheeks. For my brows, there's two products that I like to use. I will use the MAC gel for your brows. It's called True Brunette, and also the Anastasia Beverley. This is so old, but this is like their, I don't even know because the back is gone. It's so old. I've had this forever. Dual brow shadow. So I'm not sure which one it was. You need a brush to put on brows. So I take this little angled brush here and that's what I will use to put on my brows. I would always use one of these little brushes here. You got to get everything in place. I'm going to go ahead and use the powder first. And I just kind of go in. I'm not, I don't have a really good technique for brows. I just follow the shape of my brows. I'll kind of outline just a little bit and that's about it. When I'm done with my brows, I always go in with a brow gel. So this one is just the brow set from MAC. I'll take this here. I will wipe it off a little bit. Sometimes I feel like too much comes out. So all you're going to do is brush those brows. Look at that. Brush on, brush on. I'm gonna go ahead and do this brow off camera because this is just a little bit too tricky. So I'm gonna do this and then I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back. So I have both of my brows in place here. So I'm going to go on to my eyeshadow. Now, always with my eyeshadow, I'm really not that adventurous with it. The only time I do any crazy colors is when I'm doing my body paint, or again, when it's for like an Instagram post or something. I'm starting off here with, it's the MAC eyeshadow and it's called All That Glitter. Next I'm going to take MAC, it's called Antique, and I'm just going to place that into the corners. Next I'm going to go on with the Copper Ring eyeshadow, and I'm going to place that kind of more all over the eye. That's it there, and then also, you know what, I'm just going to put a little bit of some gold shimmer just kind of right on the middle of my eye, and then I'm just going to do the same thing on the other side. That's it, so that's how the eyeshadow looks. Now, the very last thing I'm going to do is the lipstick, my favorite. Favorite lipstick of mine, it's from MAC, again, and it's called Pink Nouveau. Now, what I'll do here, so when I put on lipstick, this too, hopefully this is a helpful tip for you because sometimes this drives me crazy. When I see people just taking their lipstick and just... There's no way, I mean, I don't know, for me at least, you can't, like, I feel like I can't get a good line, you know, when you're just using the edge of the lipstick. So, if I could give you one tip about lining lips and making them look even a little bit bigger, all you're gonna do, take a very, very small brush. I always, 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 always do this. I'm gonna start to line my lips with it. Okay, so here we go. See, now my lip line, it kind of goes right down there. So I want to make that look a little fuller. So all I'm going to do, take this little brush and just go just a smidge above that line. There's one thing out of this whole tutorial, it would be to outline your lips. That's one thing I am 100% sure about. Outline your lips and it'll just give you just that little extra. And there we go, this is the final look. So I hope you did enjoy this type of video. Like I said, it is different for me. I've never really spoke to the camera like this before, so I hope everything works out with it. I'm also really hoping to go live more. I've always wanted to go live on Instagram, like just by myself. I've been live before, but I was with another artist friend, so that was the only time I've done it. Just got a webcam, so one of my friends on the Instagram community, her name's Melissa, I'll link it down below. She's kind of got me into going on Twitch. I've been seeing other people do it. It's really cool. I would be able to interact with you guys more. You can kind of ask me questions and I can answer them right on the spot. And also I can be doing my body paint kind of in live time. I think that'll be kind of neat. I'm hoping to do it kind of around my birthday-ish. I still need to look at it more and kind of figure things out. But yeah, fingers crossed for that too. Hopefully that works out. So if you did enjoy this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss more videos like this one. Thanks again for watching and I will see you in the next one. Go right on the bottom. Oh, see, did I do too much? I don't know. I need a haircut dust. Oh, that was not too bad. Okay. I was nervous doing that. Sheesh.